In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually block some YouTube channel on the YouTube platform. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Let's look for a channel that we want to block. Let's say we want to block this channel, for example. All you gotta do is to go on the channel itself, and then you want to go ahead and click on the three dots on the upper right. Okay, then YouTube will give you a couple of options. First option, of course, will be to hide user from the channel, which means that they won't be able to see, comment, or act upon our content. But this doesn't mean that at some near future they will not be able to see our content and see our comments or even community posts. So this will not work in the long run. So you want to click report user over here. If some of these specified reasons over here apply to your case, for example, if the reason for you blocking them could be harassment or impersonating, violating if they steal your content, or some of these spams and scams, you can click one of those. Okay, you might be clicking privacy as well. This is a new feature over here if you really want to hide yourself, but probably that's not the real case, the real situation that you have. So my advice will be to go on the last option, which is none of this is my issue. Then you want to click next. Okay, then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you want to click on the section which says help. You see the one on the lower left side. You want to click help, and then you will be forwarded to a specific community help from YouTube, and here you will be able essentially to chat with the actual YouTube support. This is where you're going to connect with them, and this is where you're going to ask them and explain your situation. They will be able to help you 100%. You're going to explain what is the reason you want to block them, and they will do something and they will make it happen. Okay, if you have a real solid reason, they will help you with this. Unfortunately, YouTube did not create an automatic block button like we have in any other app, but I believe that they can help you with this. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.